So hello guys, welcome back with another video in electronic studio. So today in this video we are going to learn how to do a Bluetooth serial to serial communication. That example means with your desktop to mobile communication, how to do this serial to serial communication by the manually, not the directly for particular message. We will send some message on the manually. So before going to start, I want to show you one code that I have written here. And before starting, I want to tell you guys, for more new projects related, you can refer this video. This is my YouTube channel for the electronic studio, and this is my GitHub link. You can access this one. Here I mentioned so many type of example repositories are mentioned there. You can refer that. This is benefits for your project, major minor project related. It will be helpful for you, so you can refer this one, guys. Now in this tutorial, now I'm going to show you how to do this Bluetooth serial to serial communication. So in this code, I'm using this Bluetooth serial.h library. This library also I will provide you in my GitHub repository. From there also you can access. And here I mentioned everything. This is my Bluetooth name for the ESP32 slave. If you want to change this one, you can change this one. And this is the other things are also there in this code. This and related to this code and based on this library, I will give you the multiple examples in this repository. There you can check. And if we talking about this loop, what we are going to do this in main thing. Here we are going to do this serial communication. If BT serial available is there, so serial read, it will read the data. And here also, if serial BT available, and here also it will read the data. Means if Arduino IDE serial is available, that mobile serial is also available. In mobile is also available. In the Arduino IDE will be also available. So now I'm going to show you the how to do this BT connection in live demonstration, how to connect this one. So first I'm connecting my ESP32 here. I connected here. Now after that you have to go to this our board manager, and this guide, if you don't know how to connect this ESP32 in your board manager, I already made it a one video that you can refer for the ESP32 board manager, how to add in our Arduino ID. I will mention in my I button below top of that. There also you can access. So now I'm going to select this one ESP32 development board, and I connected my port, so it is showing here COM6. If I will upload this one, so now it is uploading the code. It will take some time because it is extracting and compiling. And after that, I when it will come, when some data will come in the output window, then you have to press the boot button, then your code will write in your controller. So now you have to wait for this compiling. Now I have to press the boot button, then you have to release this. Now this code is uploaded. Guys, I will show you how to do this, connect the Bluetooth. Now after uploading the code, now you have to download in your mobile this Play Store, this serial application. Internet is not available, so you will get this application. This is a Bluetooth serial application. You will get on the Play Store. From there you can download. Now what I have to do before opening this one, now I have to open this Bluetooth. So here if I will go inside the pair, and but you don't remove, you no need to remove your Bluetooth COM port. It should be connected in your laptop. Now what you have to do, this ESP slave is coming, this name, so you have to pair here. Now it is showing, so you have to click it on the pair button. Now what you have to do, you have to go in this our terminal. If you will click it on this three lines of the left side, then you have to click it on the device. Then here it is showing ESP32 BT slave. You have to click it on this. Now you will get here notification connected. And now I'm going to show you how to do this BT both side. In Arduino ID also I'm opening this serial. I will extend this one. Yes, like if I'm typing here something hi, like one message, See, you will get the notification, hi, I am from the electronic studio. See, one more message, it will come again. Yeah, it is coming. Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you the with mobile to laptop. You can see this both thing are the parallelly. Hi, I'm. See, you can see here in your desktop also it is coming. If I will send it this again, so continuously the data is coming. So with the help of this the serial communication, you can use this for your IoT projects. This is a very best controller is there for the IoT related for this ESP32. And based on this ESP32, I made a already playlist, and if for the future also you will get the multiple type of the project based on the ESP32. And I made for this also ESP32 C6, sorry, C6 related to videos, and multiple videos are also there. One more also line message will send from here, like hi. We can send the emojis also, guys. If you want to see, I will send some emojis. See, in this Arduino serial it is coming, so like this you can use this one. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.